Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. You know, sometimes when guests show up at my house unexpectedly, or even if I'm invited, I want to bring something, I do that dish here. I go to my market and buy one of those rotisserie chicken. They have them all the time, right out of the rotisserie. They are very nice, but then you have to make them your own. And what I do here, that's what I'm going to do here. I have a tablespoon of butter, a couple of tablespoons of oil here, third of a cup or whatever of shallot or onion or scallion or any of those. It's gonna work out fine. The shallot, of course, is a little bit different than the onions, and I have a couple of mushrooms. I will use those mushrooms very coarsely sliced here. Couple of times. That goes in there too. All of that is going to make this my own chicken. A bit of salt on top of that. I have some garlic here. Those are small cloves of garlic. All right, coarse them coarsely. That's it. That will have to it. I'm going to have some herb, have some chives, and now I have my chicken. Now I line up a beautiful platter here with a whole lettuce that I bought. There, those are the, and I can leave the thing or cut them in half like this. Doesn't really matter. And my chicken, I'm going to cut it with this here. Makes it easy. And in my house, we serve the whole chicken. That includes the bone, backbone, and all that. In fact, we can have a whole fight to eat the bone, pieces with the bone on it. So, this is the type of things, of course, you have to eat with friends. You have to eat with friends because you have to eat with your finger. The wing. Okay, here it is here. Something on the other side. So as you can see, I do about 8-10 pieces of chicken that I cut. Okay, now remember, this is about cooked enough now. There is always the juice here left in the pan, so don't throw that out. Mix it with that. I'm going to put a little bit of lime juice here on my salad and on the chicken as well. Don't forget to put a bit of salt, especially on the outside, on the salad, as you want to eat that salad, of course. Pepper. And this is served lukewarm this way, of course. And I have that on top. So, I put mushroom in there, I put shallot, because I have that in my refrigerator. Look at what you have in your refrigerator. Remember that what you are doing the chicken your own. You are making it your own. This. Okay. I have some herb on top even. Dash of olive oil on the outside on my salad. That's about it. Oh, here I have a beautiful tomato from the garden. Might as well use it. Yeah, yellow tomato from my garden. Yeah. You don't have to do it, or you can put a red tomato or nothing at all. It's fine. little bit of color, taste. Think in terms of color, but more think in terms of taste. It's good if it looks good, but it should taste good first. And this is about it. My rotisserie chicken transformed my own way to bring to my friend for dinner. Happy cooking.